Right, 8. Okay. So we have a definition. What is meant by constructive interference? This is going to be my internet people again. Oh, it's Dennis. Better answer this. Dennis. What's your... Yes. What room are you in? A401. I don't think I can do this on the phone. Maybe someone can go down to you. Any volunteers? No. I tell you what, Dennis, I'll send someone down to you in a second. I'm sure they'll know. Just give me a couple of minutes, okay? 5 minutes. Yeah, alright. Right, okay, this is what I'll do. I'll do A8, then we'll take a couple of minutes break. I'll make myself a cup of coffee. Would one of you mind helping Dennis out, who feels like they can help this country boy out? Right, so let me just run through number 8 really quickly. I won't write down the answers to save time. So constructive interference, do you remember what that is?
When two waves
when two waves come together to form a new wave of bigger amplitude. That the new amplitude is the sum of the previous amplitudes. And for the marking scheme, what they wanted is constructive interference is when wave amplitudes are added together to give a larger resultant amplitude. Anything like that will do. And coherent sources? Do we remember coherent sources? They have a constant phase difference. That's what they are. You can look this up on your notes on waves. Constant phase difference is the distance between the peaks. And it's constant. Right, B, a nice simple Young's double slit. The wavelength is 628.3 nanometers. The space in between the slits, is that the small s or the big s? No, that's the D, isn't it? Is 0.125 millimeters. The screen is 1.25 meters away. Oh, and the N is 4. So it's like this. So which formula will we use? No, you could. You know what you could use? You could use the formula for the spacing and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then multiply your answer by 4. It's one way to do it. Let's do it that way. So what's the formula? The formula is lambda equals xs over d. So that means the x is lambda d over s.
What's
Good question. Wait, sorry, no, that's the wrong way. What way do I write it in class? I don't write it like this. Do you have it there? I write it a bit differently. I write like this: small d over big D times s, and this is the s. Yes. Hey, you're late. How are you with projectors?
Projectors?
Yes.
Which
Sit down.
No.
Look, KJ, can you go to Dennis? All I'm going to do to finish this is get my small s and multiply it by 4. So by using the formula. Is it clear?
Yes.
The video will be uploaded later as well. Thanks, KJ. A401. All the way. Yes. I have it upside down.
Numerator should be.
Yeah, I have it upside down, do I? I have it upside down, do I? You understand me or not? It should be like this, times f, yeah?
Check it on the calculator first.
Okay, f equals lambda d over d. So 4f equals 4 lambda d over d.
Huh? That's yours?
No.
Oh my goodness, be quiet. Times 0.125 times 10 to the minus 3 divided by 1.25, and I get an answer which is way too small, but the right number, which means I've done something with my decimal places. Nano is minus 9, isn't it? And milli is minus 3. Are you sure it was upside down, Tekken? What? Are you sure?
Excuse me?
Yes.
Are we doing these favors?
Yes, Karar. Mm.
D. Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, okay. No, I think this is. I think
Upside down.
you think it's upside down.
Yeah.
Maybe it's not, because the question actually wants the distance from the center to the fourth fringe, not this distance. The exam wants this distance.
Oh.
So I'll have to use a little bit of Pythagoras. So here I get 2.513 times 10 to the minus 10.
Where
So
do I go?
for this 4s,
Oh, before four.
and this is 1.25. So Pythagoras says the distance, which I'll call x, will be square root that squared plus 1.25 squared. Sorry, no, that's not what they want. What they want is what I just had, which is not the answer at the back. I would go crazy if it was the other way around. I'm going to check it now. Let's check it the other way around. 4 times 628.3 times 1.25 times 10 to the minus 9 over 0.125 times 10 to the minus 3. That is also not right. So what the heck? The formula they use here,
Lambda is equal to.
well, they have lambda times big D over small d is equal to s. Is that what I had?
Yeah.
Originally, or a Tekken version?
Originally.
That's what I had originally, was it?
Yeah.
I originally said this, wasn't it? Wasn't it?
Yeah.
Tekken.
But even guessing this answer is wrong.
No, I'll double check it carefully, okay? So then that means 4s will be 4 lambda d over d, which would be I get the right answer. It is this. I get 2.51 centimeters for 4s. So Tekken, thank you for all your right answers earlier. But do you know what? You might be thinking maybe in class I wrote it this way. Look, I think I might have written this in class. S equals big D over small d times lambda.
Oh, you said roughly.
Yeah, roughly.
Yeah.
But we want to get the d's the right way around. Anyways,
Is this 4S or S?
this answer
Yeah.
is for 4s. I put the 4 in.
Uh,
Yeah. So that's right. Okay.
You know, roughly.
Can I close?